Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Activate Microsoft Office No Cracks. Let's dive right in. Open File Explorer and navigate to Local Disk, C. Go to the Program Files folder. Find and open the Microsoft Office folder. Open the Office 16 folder. Click on the address bar at the top of the window and press Ctrl+C to copy the address. Open the Start menu. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type CD and then press Ctrl+V to paste the address you copied. Press Enter. Type script os.vbs, the status and press Enter. Type osprarm.x and press Enter. Locate the SKUID in the results. Press Ctrl+C to copy the SKUID. Press Ctrl+V to paste the SKUID and press Enter. Congratulations! Your Microsoft Office is now activated. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.